Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to change a username on Threads Instagram. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our Threads app, and just at the bottom right hand corner of our interface, we're just going to click the profile icon. And just below our username, we are going to click on edit profile. And as you can see there is a lock icon on our name. So it means that we can only change our username on Instagram. And we have to keep in mind that Threads is powered by Instagram. So your name and your username can only be changed on Instagram. So how do we do that? We're just going to go at the right hand corner of our interface. You can see there the Instagram icon. So we're just going to click on that, and it's going to lead us into our Instagram account. So we're just going to click on edit profile, and here is our username. So let's change this into Kikai PH, and then just click enter. Then there. And there we go. Our username is already changed. So we're going to go ahead and check our Threads account. And there we go. Our username is already changed. So if you change your name and username on Instagram, it will automatically reflect on Threads. So that's it for this video. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.